Apprenticeship model has definitely benefited Pharmaworks in that we've come to rely on the students. They're absolutely part of our workforce, and we depend on them. It's been just a tremendous return on investment for us in a very short time.
AmSkills laid the foundation to the entire system that I'm working off of now, so it actually prepared me immensely. The apprenticeship, it consists of everything that I need to do on top of everything that I have done, and it will build up.
Apprenticeship means that I'll be viewed as a professional and I'll be trained by the best. The value of apprenticeship is experience and first-hand experience in an actual machine shop, as well as the experience to advance further on to learn a lot more.
I chose an apprenticeship in manufacturing because as a kid I was always really interested in Legos and building things using my hands. A working day as an apprentice is moving all over the company. I could be making a part, making a fixture, jig, modifying parts, or building machines. To me, the value of an apprenticeship is getting you the real-world experience, hands-on training, as well as in-class bookwork to work towards something.
My favorite part of the apprenticeship program is really just seeing the lives that we change. You know, we may not keep these students that are here, so selfishly, they may go elsewhere, but when you do see the lives that you impact, and that's our role as a manufacturer, it's not just to build machines, but it's to change lives.